Vital Statistics, Unit 1. Mortality rate. Mortality. Mortality refers to deaths occurring in the population. The deaths may be due to a number of causes such as sickness, accident, old age, etc. Measurement of mortality. The following are the important measures of mortality. Crude death rate, age specific death rate, standardized death rate, infant mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate, maternal mortality rate. Crude death rate, meaning merits and demerits. Crude death rate CDR. Definition. It is defined as the average number of deaths occurring in the year per 1000 individuals. CDR equals to number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000, where CDR is also represented as D divided by P into 1000. D indicates number of deaths occurring in the year. P indicates average population in the year. Merits and demerits of CDR. The merits of CDR are: it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It requires only the total number of deaths and the average population. It indicates the rate of decrease of population due to deaths. The demerits of CDR are: it is an overall figure which does not give importance to age and sex distribution of the population. It cannot be effectively used for comparison of mortality of different population. Calculation of crude death rate. Example 1. In the year, the average population of a town was 65,51,000. The number of deaths occurred in that year in the town was 61,931. Find crude death rate. According to the question, average population is given. Therefore, average population is nothing but P is equals to 65,51,000. Number of deaths, nothing but D, is 61,931. Here we need to calculate crude death rate. CDR equals to D divided by P into 1000. We know that D value is 61,931 whole divided by 65,51,000 into 1000. Answer is 9.5 per 1000 population. Example 2. In the year, the crude death rate for a population of 3 lakhs is 8. Find the number of deaths. According to the question, average population is not clearly mentioned. So we need to assume that population is average population. Average population equals to P equals to 3 lakh. Crude death rate, that is nothing but CDR, equals to 8. Here we need to find out number of deaths, nothing but D. CDR equals to D divided by P into 1000. Crude death rate, it is nothing but 8. D value, it is unknown. Average population is 3 lakh into 1000. Here zeros will get cancels. 8 equals to D divided by 300. We need to move 300 towards that side. Therefore, 8 into 300 equals to D. Number of deaths equals to D equals to 2400. Example 3. Calculate crude death rate for the following data. Age, population and deaths are given. We need to redraft the table. To calculate CDR, we are having formula D divided by P into 1000. Before calculating the CDR, first we need to calculate the total of population, that is nothing but 98,000. Again we need to calculate the total of deaths, that is nothing but 1120. After applying, death becomes 1120 divided by P becomes 98,000 into 1000. Answer is 11.43 per 1000 population.